Hey guys, welcome to No Rules Travel. Today we are in Phuket, Thailand, and we are going to be checking out Bangla Road. So Bangla Road is known for its crazy nightlife, adult entertainment. This is no place really to bring the kids out. You need to get you a babysitter or something if you have the kids, because the whole total of Phuket, it is like a family destination. It's really wholesome, really great places, beaches and stuff. But when you come out to the Big Bang, Bangla Road, this is a place for the guys to release some stress, hang out with some cool ladies, check out some bars, get some drinks. So by all means, let's check out Bangla Road here in Phuket, Thailand. Okay guys, so some quick tips about being here in Bangla Road. The ladies usually asking for, like 50 bucks or something for a session, a man session, about you know what man session means, I hope. But you have to be very careful because there's a lot of transgender women, and they look very, very beautiful. Very similar to the real woman of Colombia, very voluptuous, big, upstairs, big downstairs, pretty face, but they are transgender. So you got to be really careful. You got to be really aggressive. Some guys will even go so far as just, grabbing them and testing the area, and that's just the way it is. I mean, because they look so real. I mean, you can't tell the difference. So that's just some inside tips. Okay, so these girls in the area, what happens is the way it works is they are trying to sell you beers to have a good time and just really have a good time with you. Doesn't mean they're gonna go home, although they can go home with you if you buy them off the floor. And that's usually running about 50 to 60 bucks with the door fee and all that good stuff. Plus your tab. So you got to be very careful with the tab because they're going to try to sell you. They're going to be buying beers, and sometimes they'll buy beers from their friends, and their beers are going to be more expensive than what you would actually pay. So just some good tips to follow. Some pickpockets in the area, but for the most part, no. You're okay in this area. It's safe. There's a lot of police in and out of the main doors, although there's a couple of other different exits from the sides. So it's not 100% safe, but they also have a lot of shops, as you can see, to buy tinnies and all. These girls with the umbrella are working girls, by the way, and they have little hotels nearby that they're already affiliated with. Hello. Oh, this way. Oh, this way. It looks like we are headed to, I think it's the Tonga Road or Balong Road or something. So it's about to be a good, hello, how you doing? Oh, they got the police over here. That's what I was worried about earlier. They stopping everybody, bro. Some people with helmets, some people without helmets. What's going on over here? Let's go see what's happening over here. This is so nice, bro. Hello, hey, hello, hey, hello. This is nice. Let's see what's going on. Oh shit, they got the party going on over here. This is nice. Dang, it's a party. I like that. Boy, it's just partying it up. So it's like a little party strip right here. It's nice. Hello. Ooh, boy, that was a big ass woman. The Boom Party CD. That is so nice. Yin Bar. Yin Bar. You have to use the restroom. It's going down over here. It's got a little something. It's a little bitty area, but it's still hype. I like that little bar over there, just hanging out, playing some pool. Hello. Hi, promoter. This little chubby lady. What happened? What did they say? What did the police say? Oh, did you pay money?
Yes, want money.
How much money you pay?
No, he wants me to pay.
I know. How much you pay?
He gave me a ticket now.
You didn't pay him?
I was about to pay him, but
Now you have to go to court.
really?
Yeah, you better pay him.
Yeah.
Yeah, because now you can't leave the country.
Because they told them I bought from there.
Shit, just pay him.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, try to be like, hey, because you don't want to go to court. Oh, we got Tron over there. Check that out. You know, Colombia has trained me, so I don't care what country I'm in. I don't let people get in my little safety area. I don't know. I've been in Colombia so long, even though these countries are pretty safe, you know, compared to Colombia where you just die. You know, anybody gets in this little circle to within, you know, 2 feet of me. Yeah, I shouldn't say 2 feet, but you know, 2 arm lengths away. Then yeah, I just trip out. I'm like, nah, I can move around. I just stop and I let them pass to avoid pickpockets, any kind of bullshit. And you cannot get in a fight down here because they're all team up on you. They're gonna beat the shit out of you, put you in the hospital. And then there was a story just recently, a guy ended up in jail for 6 years. And he was just fighting back. He ended up in the hospital. He ended up in jail for 6 years. So shit can go drastically wrong. You know, Thai people, I don't know, you know, in general, they all stick together. Looks like they got some night shopping down here. That's where I bought that bag for 28 bucks. Got some nice shirts down here too. Thailand is good to do some shopping, especially in Bangkok. Some nice shoes right there. Okay, so I can come down here and get some shoes. I need some tennis shoes bad. And, you know, you might find a good pair. They're all fake, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, so cannabis is 100% legal now, right here in Thailand. Ooh, that green stuff is good. Hell yeah. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I'm scared. I'm from Texas, so we have a lot of guns like this. Ah, scary. Yeah. Some of that Thai food and street food is delicious, bro. Delicious. Delicious. What do they got over here? Look like they making some kind of, what is this? Oh, snaps. Coconut and ice cream. Cannot go wrong, people. We got a bunch of Americans here. You know we love that stuff. I'm trying to find this. Is this, excuse me, is this Bangla Road? Yeah. Bangla right here. This is it? To the left. All right, thank you. So I'm trying to find this Bangla Road, so we can try to find it here. Ooh. That is dope. I ain't think of very fresh mango. It's crazy down here. So far, so good down here. Wow, shit is huge. Huge party down here, man. But it seems cool. Everything's chill for the most part. Let's see what we got down there. A little dancers out here. That's always good to get some tips. Oh, Sugar Club. Hip hop. Oh shit, check this out. Oh, that is dope. Check that out, that is dope. Liddy's just having a good time out here. 100 sexy girls out here. They're all over the place. It's out here. Look at those stairs, bro. Look at those stairs. Well, I hope you liked the walking video of Bangla Road here in Phuket, Thailand. I'm releasing a series of just Bangla Road, so stay tuned, hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when new videos come out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have some safe travels and hit that like.